Hey everyone, this is Justin Broglie. I'm going to present my project called Infozaic. It's a collaborative information mosaic platform. So the problem that I see today is that we have a ton of great free embeddable media sources. However, this outweighs our current information technology's capability to integrate and visualize them. Things such as Wikipedia and Google Docs I find to be limited in their ability to successfully integrate all the media that we have. Wikipedia really is based on text and it's hard to edit, and Google Docs is a wonderful resource. However, it doesn't necessarily include all the latest embeddable media sources. So the concept behind Infozaic is to build an application that allows users to easily weave together all these media outlets into a new kind of information document. The goals of Infozaic are to, one, to integrate all popular forms of online media, or most popular forms of online media, two, to utilize an adaptable mosaic-style layout when visualizing each Infozaic, and three, to prioritize information based on user review. I call information info bits on here, so using a voting system or maybe something similar. So some related work to Infozaic, three apps come to mind: Pinterest, Prezi, and Cowbird, and I'll show you those. Pinterest is an online pin board. You can share images and things that you like, but as far as I know, I've never used it, but I think it's only images. Prezi is a wonderful presentation tool that breaks out of the paradigm of slides, and you can post a lot of different types of media. It's very cool. Cowbird is an online tool that is about using audio, pictures, text to weave a narrative. So all these tools relate in some way. So the technology behind Infozaic, on the front end we use jQuery and Isotope to dynamically place all the images or the info bits together in a mosaic style layout. URL to PNG is being utilized to render images from websites that people post, and Twitter Bootstrap is a styling framework that was used at the base. On the back end, the framework is Ruby on Rails. It's hosted on Heroku, which is a cloud platform running over top Amazon EC2, and then Amazon S3 will eventually be used to store things like profile pictures and pictures that people post to the site. And then Facebook Open Graph is utilized to dynamically create an object for every Infozaic so that users can share it and make this information social. So now I'm going to demo Infozaic for you guys. So here's the website. Here's what happens when you go in. So you have a basic user sign in. And when you log in, you get your profile pictures and you get an activity feed. And then you can browse Infozaics, and you can click on, for instance, History of West Philadelphia, and it's going to automatically dynamically place all the info bits in a layout together. And if your browser width is less than 1100 pixels, it'll put it into a 3-column layout. Otherwise, it's a 5-column layout. So there's been 7 different types of things that you can add, and more could easily be added to that. So search has also been implemented. So if I search for Philadelphia, it's going to give me these 3 things here. You could also browse the users of the site, and it's really easy to create new Infozaic. So that is pretty much what Infozaic is. And here's the latest info bits people have posted. So in the future, I really would love to see it as being an open source platform if there's interest in developing it, and also having an embedding engine, which the last 4 features here, the groundwork has been laid for this. So I'd love to see it as an embedding engine, or have an embeddable engine rather. Images should be stored on the cloud on S3. There should be a more robust collaboration system similar to Google Docs, and a more robust voting system so that information can be voted up or down. Okay, thank you very much.